Hello guys, welcome to Cool Math. In this session, we are going to look at the lateral area and the surface area of some 3D objects. Let's start with a rectangular prism. Let's take an example. A rectangular prism has a length, a height, and a width. Here, the length is 15 centimeter, the height is 3 centimeter, and the width is 8 centimeter. Also, we need to learn that a rectangular prism has 6 phases. Phases or surfaces, as you can see, top and bottom, front and back, left and right. So there are 6 phases. Keep the 6 phases in mind because we are going to use them. To find the lateral area, we need to only consider the 4 phases, the 4 vertical walls. Only those we need to consider. We will not consider the top phase and the bottom phase. That we are going to ignore. So for the lateral area, we are going to only consider the vertical walls. Okay. So let's start to find the area of these vertical walls. Let's consider the front and the back. The area of this would be, if you see in the figure, it would be width times the height, correct? And there are 2 such phases. So I'm going to do it twice, height times the width, because there are 2 phases. Similarly, let's look at the phases on left and right. The area of this would be length times the height. And there are 2 such exactly equal rectangles. So I'm going to make it twice, length times the height. Now, once you have this formula with you, you can take 2 out using distributive law. And it's going to look something like this. So the lateral area would be twice height times width plus height times length. Now we just need to substitute the values. Just plug in the values and the question is now very simple. Just solve it further and further and you get the final answer as 138 square centimeter. So I hope it's clear how to find the lateral area. Next, we are going to find the total surface area. Let's do it. So the surface area, also called the total surface area. What do you think? What are we going to include in this? Yes, we are going to include the top and the bottom phases here. So we are going to include all the phases, correct? So the formula will be tweaked a little bit. So we'll have height times width, and then we'll have height times the length, but this time we will also have length times width. And all these area, we are going to double it because we have two phases each. We are going to double them. Okay, we have lots of 2's. Let's take the 2's out. Let's take it common ones and just plug in the numbers there and solve it. Easy peasy. And you get the answer as 378 square centimeter. So I hope you understood how to find the lateral area and the surface area for a rectangular prism. You need to practice it a lot to get hands-on and to get grip on these concepts. I'll see you in the next video with better shortcut to find the lateral area. So keep in touch and keep following my channel. See you. Bye-bye.